Hey guys, welcome back to Northwest RC. Just wanted to share with you a small upgrade I'm going to do to my X-MAXX. Notice I painted the letters on the Pro Line tires. I did that today. Looks pretty cool. But I have something I wanted to install, which is this from Luxury Radio Control. Got it off of eBay, but they're pretty much a suspension bump stop. Each one of these goes into the bottom of the shock, so it won't the bottom of the chassis won't bottom out. So it's got some good rubber bump stops. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them on my truck. So I'll show you what it looks like after I get one installed. Stand by. Well guys, it's actually a lot of work to get this suspension bump stops installed. I'll take the shock apart, completely apart, obviously, so I could be able to slide the bump stop. I couldn't take this piece off without damaging the rod, so the piston. So I went ahead and just took it off completely from the top, and now I'm going to install the bump stop. But yeah, you gotta take it apart pretty much. So stand by. Alright guys, got the first one done. This is the way it looks. So when the shock travels all the way up, that's as far as it's going to go. Good rubber stop there, the rubber bump, so that way the chassis won't hit the ground as hard. So it's not like I want to jump it that hard to begin with, but it'll give me peace of mind to have it already installed. Alright guys, let me get the other ones and then I'll show you when they're all installed. Stand by.